Well, we're not just talking about how they look, though. We're talking about how you feel. So many folks, thousands of folks right here in San Diego suffer from foot pain. It's debilitating. It keeps you from living the life you want to live. And Dr. John Krage has a solution for you here this morning, hopefully that will help most of you deal with this problem. Dr. Krage, the Happy Foot program, Happy Feet, spreading across the country. You're adding staff all the time down at your office because I see that there's people lined up to get in there.
Just hired another doctor. There's that many feet out there. You know, the real challenge, Mark, is that right now there are people listening with big toe pain, arch pain, and even burning sensation between your toes. The fact is, most of us wait until we're having problems walking to the car. And a lot of us, most of our clients are 50 to, say, my oldest is 97. We usually wait too long, and now it takes 3 or 4 times as much work to get him back on track.
And folks, what we're going to talk about here is non-surgically repairing the damage here that may have been done over years and trying to completely short-circuit that surgical process where the surgeries often fail. So look at the number on your screen and know that if you've got any foot pain whatsoever, give the doctor a call, be one of the first 25 callers, and your examination is free. Your first 2 treatments are free. And during those first 2 treatments and the exam, you have a pretty good idea if you can help.
Well, frankly, we have a 90% success rate. And even those who've had post-surgical failures, that means the pain has come back. 50% of our clients come in with failed surgeries because they didn't handle the underlying problem that creates these terrible distortions. Look at this foot here. Notice how it's bent. Now, yeah, you can cut it and make it straight. Why don't you ask the first question? Why is it bent in the first place?
Right.
Because if you don't straighten out like the alignment of a car when you're putting new tires on, the new tires wear out the same way. These are distortions secondary to alignment disorders that we heal up with lasers and alignment of that foot.
Now, remember we said non-surgically, folks. So the problems as severe as this can be corrected non-surgically. And the laser is a healing mechanism. It's not a cutting tool in this case. I want to make very clear to people, there's no pain involved in this treatment. There's just getting better involved in this treatment. The laser does what exactly?
This is a class 4 laser. We have 5 of them now. They go all day long. They penetrate the skin right into those neuromas, all that pain, all the bunions, and the plantar fascia, but they increase the healing potential by 4 to 5 times normal. Now what that means is that when you're done with this treatment, it feels like a warm massage, extremely safe. These are the class 4 lasers, the most powerful lasers in the world for healing, okay? And you'll literally feel as much as a 30% difference or pain reduction in just those first 2 treatments.
So, folks, again, there's no obligation whatsoever. I know how Dr. Krage operates here. I've been into the office on several occasions. You handle a variety of conditions, but Happy Feet is your passion right now, to get people back on their feet. So there's no obligation whatsoever. Just come in, get the free exam, 100% free, and then the 2 free treatments. And again, as you say, folks will know after these first 2 treatments. You'll both together have a pretty fair idea if they're responding to this treatment.
Well, I had one person come in just yesterday, and they were scheduled for surgery in 2 weeks. They canceled the surgery because after I showed them that they could actually get better without surgery, because the first one had already failed. And so she was actually going into, and now we're getting her better with Happy Foot. I want you to look at this lady here. Notice that the right foot is really distorted, and the left foot looks pretty good. The fact is, it's the left foot that is creating the pain so badly that the woman has already had 3 failed surgeries on the right side. Look at how bad those toes never even touched the ground. Now the point I want to make is, yes, you can do surgery on that bad foot. It didn't work. You have to fix the one that's causing the problem. And that lady is now already 50% better in our program with no surgery, just laser treatment.
Folks, again, totally non-surgical. Fix the alignment, let the laser heal it up, and get rid of that foot pain. And again, no obligation whatsoever. Just be one of the first 25 callers, and Dr. Krage will see you absolutely for free for a full exam and consultation. And then you can get those 2 free laser treatments. It's the Happy Foot Center. It's so easy to find right down in Mission Valley on Mission Center Road. And all you have to do is call and make your reservation and be there. And you can make that appointment on behalf of somebody else, by the way, a husband, a wife, a loved one, whoever it happens to be. Maybe they're not home today. Maybe they're just saying, well, I don't know. I'm too lazy to get up and dial. Well, go dial for them. And there's the number right there. Dr. Krage, great to see you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.